This is not just a ship. It is a floating fortress, a symbol of naval dominance, rising through the morning fog. The USS Gerald R. Ford, a 100,000-ton nuclear-powered aircraft carrier, built to project power across the globe from its deck. Guarded by Arleigh Burke-class destroyer warships. This strike group moves as one unstoppable force, day or turning night, ocean into air superiority. FA-18 Super Hornet fighters launch within seconds. In calm seas or combat zones, operations never stop. One carrier strike group can shift the balance of power in an entire region. This is why the U.S. Navy rules the seas.